Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find hidden apps on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and leave a like to support the channel. Now let's jump straight into the guide. First, let me quickly show you how apps get hidden. To hide an app, press and hold the app icon, tap Remove App, then select Remove from Home Screen. Now, the app is hidden, but don't worry, you can still find it. Swipe all the way to the right until you reach the library. Here, you can search for the app at the top or scroll through categories to find it. Once you find it, tap to open it and hold it and tap Add to Home Screen to unhide it. Another easy way is to swipe down on your home screen and type the app's name in the search bar. It will show up instantly and you can open it from there or press and hold to add it back to your home screen. And that's it. That's how you can easily find and unhide apps on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.